What is it up there?
All right, here. All right, let's do timber. Let's do timber. You ready? Timber! Whee! Want to do it again?
Do it
Do
again.
it again. All right. You ready?
Just let her fall.
Timber! Come here. Whoosh. Come here.
Mom.
Yeah. You ready? We'll count to 3 and we'll do it on 3. 1, 2, 3. Timber!
You silly.
Let's do it again. Whoosh. 1, 2, 3.
Oh. Tegan, what's this up here?
Ducky.
Is it a ducky?
Mom.
Come here. Come here. Whoosh.
What do you say?
Fish.
Whoosh. You ready? 1, 2, 3.